Tired of soggy leftovers that never regain their crisp? Microwaves make food rubbery. Ovens take forever and heat everything. You want healthy, crunchy meals without drowning food in oil. Meet the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. EvenCrisp tech restores crunch using up to 95% less oil. 6 cooking functions replace multiple appliances on your countertop. Air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat in one. No long preheating. Dinner starts fast and stays simple. Adjust temps from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Dial exact heat for golden, gooey, or perfectly crispy results. One-touch presets make wings, fries, and cinnamon buns effortless. Intuitive touchscreen and knob showtime, temp, and progress. Family-sized 6-quart capacity handles up to 6 portions easily. Perfect for meal prep, busy families, and dinner-for-one upgrades. Stainless steel finish looks sleek on any countertop. Powerful 1700 watts deliver fast, consistent convection cooking every time. Safety features include overheat protection and automatic shutoff. Cleanup is quick. Dishwasher-safe non-stick basket slides out. Square basket and raised grid tray crisp more surface area. Quick-release design makes removing food and cleaning effortless. Imagine frozen fries turning golden in minutes, not half-hour. Compare greasy, deep-fried plate versus light, crispy, guilt-free serving. Leftovers now rival restaurant texture without extra oil or mess. Energy-efficient cooking uses up to 80% less energy. Speedy meals mean less takeout, more money saved weekly. Health-conscious cooks get crispy satisfaction with minimal oil. Meal preppers fit batches for the week into one basket easily. Busy parents love fast dinners and one-piece cleanup afterward. Restaurant-style crunch without a deep fryer or extra equipment. Use dehydrate to make snacks, herbs, and meal components. Reheat function brings pizza and leftovers back to life. Bake desserts or cinnamon buns with consistent golden results. Smart presets remove guesswork. Perfect meals with a single touch. Knob and touchscreen offer precise control and easy operation. Compact footprint fits small kitchens without sacrificing capacity. Durable stainless steel build looks premium and wipes clean easily. Perfect for frozen snacks, wings, fries, fish, and veggies crisp. Save oil, calories, and time while enjoying real crunch. No more waiting for multiple oven racks to finish cooking. Set temp, choose preset, press start, dinner's underway. See cooking stage at a glance on the LED display. Crispier edges and juicier centers thanks to EvenCrisp technology. Great for batch cooking sides for weeknight dinners. Ideal for health-focused households cutting oil without sacrificing flavor. Commercial-grade results in a home-friendly appliance every cooking session. Effortless cleanup means more time with family, less scrubbing. Quiet operation keeps kitchen calm during dinner prep. Perfectly browned chicken wings, fries, and roasted veggies reliably. Small food service operators appreciate speed and low-oil results. Plug in, choose a preset, and get consistent results. Built-in safety gives peace of mind for busy households. The basket slides out for effortless serving and plate transfer. Raised grid maximizes airflow, so everything crisps evenly every time. Use less oil, eat better, and enjoy restaurant textures. Swap late-night takeout for quick, homemade crunchy meals tonight. This single appliance simplifies cooking and reduces countertop clutter. Energy efficient, fast, and versatile. Everything a busy cook needs. Guilt-free fries and wings with minimal oil, maximum flavor. Perfect for parties. Batch cook appetizers in one cycle. The Vortex Plus replaces multiple gadgets, saving space and money. Durable parts and dishwasher-safe basket keep maintenance simple. Cooking for 6? The 6-quart basket has you covered. Restaurant crunch without the guilt. That's EvenCrisp's promise. One appliance, countless meals, weeknight dinners to weekend feasts. Make healthier choices without sacrificing texture or flavor tonight. Ready to transform leftovers into crave-worthy meals in minutes? Grab your Instant Pot Vortex Plus and start crisping today. Cook smarter, eat better, and clean up in minutes. Visit product page now to see recipes and quick start guides. Upgrade your countertop. Powerful, versatile, and family-ready air fryer. Bring back the crunch with 95% less oil. Sleek stainless steel pairs with practical, one-touch convenience. From frozen to fabulous. Fast results every single time. Make tonight's dinner impressive, without extra effort or mess. Ready to crunch? Tap to learn more and buy now. If you are interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.